All right, let's look at this isometric drawing that we've been asked to do. I think the first thing that I'm going to do is just to try and locate things in these views over here. You've got a front view, you've got a top view, and you've got a left view because it is a third angle orthographic projection. I'm going to take a line coming out from that point over there. I'm going to take a line going up over here. And then I'm going to take a 45-degree line going that. And straight away I'm going to be able to take some lines across over here and link that up with this view over here. And take a line going across over here and link that up with this view over here. I think that the reason why I do that is little things like that 22. Well, they didn't give a measurement over there from P to there, so it just highlights that that measurement over there, from there to there, would be that 22. You can then also locate all sorts of things in this drawing. I'm just going to take lines coming across from that pentagon so you can see where that lies in this view as well. There it is. There it is. Taking that corner across over there. Taking that across there. Taking that central point across there. If you take that down, you'll be able to locate where that pentagon is. There it is. I know it's looks like I'm wasting a whole lot of time, but actually with that I'm able to locate things more quickly and easily, and I'll be able to figure out where the juice is on this thing. You'll see over here I've got this part in here. Let's just do that. I'm going to take a line coming across from that hidden detail. What is that hidden detail? Take it across and drop it down. Okay, you can see how that links up with that hidden detail. Well, where is that hidden detail? If you look at it, it is going to be linked up with, can you see that nice little sloping part over there on the inside over here? That is what that hidden detail is. Just helps you locate things and to figure out where things are going to lie. Right, let's start out. I'm going to draw a nice little line going off that direction over there. I'm going to draw a little line going off in that direction over there. I'm going to draw a line going up over here. Right, once I've got that, and then say, all right, what is that measurement that we said that from there, from P to that point over there, is that 22. So I can measure that off. That is the left view. This is my left hand, so there's my left view, and I'm going to measure off 22 millimeters over there. Bang that in over here. There we go. And I can take a line going straight up over there. It says that I go up. What is this? 40 plus 16 plus 24. Okay, so let's just do that. 16, let's go up 16 millimeters. 16 millimeters. Bang that in there. 40 millimeters. Let's take that. Bang that in over there. And 24 millimeters. And bang that in over there. Right, once we've got that, let's get a little line coming across over here to the back. Take a line coming out over here. And then I'm going to say, all right, well, it says that it's 16 plus 94 to get to that center line. I'm going to always like to start with my center lines. So I'm going to take that 16, let's bang that in, 16 millimeters going that way, knock that in over there. Okay, and then 94 millimeters, let's go 94 millimeters across to there. Pop that in over here. And I can now draw in a nice center line. Right, let's draw in a center line. Take my 0.3 pencil and long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash over there. Okay, once I've got that center line going over there, that wasn't a very nice center line. Let's just do that a little bit more. Right. Okay, there's my center line, and I now have a look and see what the radius is. It says that it is 33 millimeters. So I take my pair of compasses, and I'm going to mark off 33 millimeters with it. Let's get a radius on my pair of compasses of 33 millimeters. There we go. Go in over here, mark off. That gives me the center, and I'm going to draw in another center line coming across over here. Right. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash over there. And once I've got that in place, I'm going to take my 33 millimeters that I've still got in my pair of compasses. You can see that. And I'm going to mark off a little arc on there, on the center line, and on that center line again. Right, once I've got that in place, I can now draw in a block so that I can start with that circle part. Right, we've done this before, I hope. Line going that way, line going up here. Right, once you've got that, you're going to take a line going from that corner off at 60 degrees, going up to that corner over there, line going at 60 degrees, going off up to that corner over there, and then I'm going to take a line going across over here from that corner, going across to that corner over there, and that gives me the centers that I need in order to draw all of the bits and pieces of this. Right, okay, what am I going to do? I'm going to take, well, it says that I've got that circle. You can see the top of that circle going around there, and it goes from the center line to the center line. What do I need for that? Well, I need my pair of compasses to be placed at that corner over there. Extend it out. Oh, let me get the right pair of compasses, otherwise I'll be drawing in red. That's not what I need. There we go. Take that across to there. Check. Don't just draw. Just check that you've got the right center. It's always important. Extend your pair of compasses until they actually touch the center lines correctly. Sometimes you need to do a couple of little movements with it to check that it is actually in the right position, that you've got that arc in the correct place, that it's connecting up beautifully, and then draw. Okay, so there we go. Draw. A nice arc coming around over here. Get that right pressure behind that lead. Okay, that's that one curve that we need. We need this other one coming around over here. The center that we need for that is at this point over here. Again, don't just draw randomly. Check, 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 check that it links there, check that it links there. Once you've got that in place, draw that around. Right. Okay, there is going to be another little piece coming around to that over there. What we need to do is to first of all figure out where it's going to stop. So I'm going to take a construction line coming across over here. See this corner that I've got over there, and I'm going to draw a line going from that corner, going across over here, just a construction line. And I'm now going to take my pair of compasses, going to take that to that center over there, and it's going to be a very small little piece of arc. Oops. Let's just get that in place. Coming around over here, should link up with that point over there. So there we go. Get that in place. Right, once I've got that in place, I need to drop some lines down from that corner over there, from that corner over there, and where it intersects over there, remember that line that I drew across there, just draw a little construction line coming down there as well. I'm going to go to the center over here, and I'm going to drop a little construction line coming down over there. I'm going to go to that center over there, draw a little construction line coming down over there. And once I've got that, I'm going to take the measurement. It says that the depth of this is 24 millimeters over there. So I'm going to take 24 millimeters, measure that off accurately over there, mark that off over there, mark that off over there. Once I've got that in place, my pair of compasses are still set to this radius over here, and I drop that down the 24 millimeters that I just marked, and I draw in that little arc, which is going to come around over there. I'm going to come to this point over here, drop that down the 24 millimeters to that center over there, and I'm going to draw in a little arc coming around over here. Now I forgot to drop down a line. I'm just going to guesstimate where it is, and I should be able to link that up with a line coming down from that corner over there down to there. Bang. There we go, that little piece of arc, that little piece of arc, drawing that tangent over there, coming down from there to there. And there are all the arcs that I need. Draw in a line coming there, a line coming down over there from that center. Okay, once I've got that, we now need to draw in that pentagon. Now they very, very kindly drew in the pentagon to the correct, the auxiliary view that they want you to use. What I would suggest you do here is you just draw a little line going across the center over there. You're going to draw a little line coming over there. Okay, so you've got all the information that you need. From the center to there, you've got that measurement. From the center to there, you've got that measurement. From the center going up to there, from the center going up to there, and from the center going out in either direction over there. Right, let's have a look. That over there, I need to measure out, first of all, from the center, because you've got the center over there. From the center to the edge of the pentagon is that distance. I'm going to pop that in over there, and I'm going to draw in a construction line over here. This little construction line going over there. Once I've got that, I then take this measurement, it should be 11 millimeters over there, go into that construction line that I just drew, mark off 11 millimeters on that side, 11 millimeters on that side, and I can draw in a line going, watch this, up to that center. Remember, it is sectioned, so we're going to drop that part away. All right, just draw a line coming across over here, there, and I can drop a line coming straight down while I'm thinking about it, coming down to there, draw a line coming across to there, and drawing a line coming across to there. So you can see that I've basically drawn that little part of it with it being cut away. You can see the section over there, and I'm going to be able to hatch that, take my 60-degree set square, and I'm going to just do some hatching on there with my 0.3 pencil. Whoopsie, sorry. There we go. I hatch that. Put some hatching lines on here. There you go, that's hatched. Okay, I need to figure out where this little part is over here. To do that, I'm going to take my pair of compasses and I'm going to measure out. Now wait, look where I'm measuring from the Q out to that line. Go over here to the center, that would be where Q is. Mark that off and draw in a line coming across from that mark. Line coming across from that mark. Okay, nice little construction line there. We then measure from that center line out to there, go to that point over there, mark that off there, mark that off over there. Right, the next thing is from the center, from the point Q, going out to the apex of that, or that corner over there, and I go to the center over there, and I mark that off on the center line. I now have those 3 points over there, there, and there, and I can now draw in a line coming over here, going from there to there, a line going from there to there. Okay, this line is going to come back from there all the way to there, but remember it's going to stop on the center line because that's where your section ends. Okay, I'm just going to draw that in. I'm going to draw in a line going from there to, sorry, let's just get that correct, from there to there. All right. Okay, so you can see my line coming across, but I've stopped it at the center. I'm going to drop a line coming down over here. Just a construction line coming down over there. I can now take a line coming across to my construction line from there to there, and along that center line over there. Drop a line coming straight down over here, 24 millimeters over there, and straight away I'm going to do some hatching over here. Right, so I'm just going to do this. Note the hatching on this and which set square I'm using for my hatching. All right, once I've got that in place, I need to draw the inside of this, this pentagon. I'll just drop some lines coming down over here from the corners. Line coming down over there, a line coming down over there. Right, once I've got that in place, I can then just use my two set squares together. The angles are going to remain the same. I need to measure off 24 millimeters. There's my 24 millimeters from there to there. Go from there down to that point over there. Take my set squares, slide them together like that, drop it down to that point over there, and draw in a line coming across from there to there. And same story over here, set your pair of set squares together, slide them across like that, draw in that little line over there, and there's the base of that pentagon. Let's knock that in quickly. There, and this little piece coming down over here, which would link up with a point somewhere over there. Right, okay, let's continue here. Now we get to the this part of it. I can draw in a line coming straight across over here, a line coming straight down over here, a line coming across over here, a line going straight up over here, a line going across over here. There we go. And it's going to come all the way across to there. Okay. This part, 143 millimeters. Let's measure that off quickly. 143 millimeters. Wow. There we go. Let's just get that 143. Measure that off. P will be somewhere over there. Right, and I can draw in a line going all the way across to there. Right. Whoopsie, 16. I need to measure up 16 over here. I've got that mark already from when I measured it right at the beginning. This line coming across from my, remember I measured up 16 over there. I can draw in a line coming up over here. Okay, I've measured a 16 over here. I remember doing that earlier. Measured that back 16 over there, so there I've got that 16 over there. I can drop a line coming down to my 16 line that I just drew. That going from there. Oh dear, running out of pencil lead in this pencil. Hopefully there's pencil lead inside of this thing. Otherwise, I'm going to have to change it. Okay, I'm just going to have to continue. just change pencil. Right, okay, let's just continue using this pencil. Not ideal, but it'll work. Life carries on. There we go. Oh dear, I'm not used to this pencil. There we go. All right, there we go. That's then going to come across over here. The construction line coming across over here. I have a line. I'm going to just figure out where that is. Line coming across over there. Line coming back over here. Right, there we go. So that part I can draw in quite easily. Line coming across over there. From there to there. Okay, my next step is to do this little 30-degree story over here. Let's just draw an auxiliary view. There we go. Now, have they given us a measurement? Height measurement over there is 40. So we come over here, and I'm going to measure off 40 millimeters up. 40 millimeters going up from there. Knock that in there. 30-degree angle coming down over here. Right, and that gives me that distance that I need over here. So I can measure that off. First of all, what I need to do is to find the center of this little piece over here, and then we can work out where I must measure from. I'm just going to draw a little line going over there, and I need to find the center of that line. If I remember, it's 22 millimeters coming across, and they say that it's 11 millimeters, so it's smack in the middle. I'm just going to draw a line coming over there, going out like that, line coming straight down like that, and that will give me my center over there, 11 millimeters on this side, 11 millimeters on that side, as long as you've drawn accurately. Right, that is going to give me a construction line going out over here. Let's just get that correct. Okay, and from there I can then measure off this distance over here, from there to there. Take that from that point over there, mark that off, and I can now draw in a line that is going to come out over here, from that point going all the way out to there. Right, and then I need to figure out where it's going to link up. I'm going to draw a line coming up from that corner over there. So I've got that distance from there to there, which is that, and 40 millimeters going up over there. Measure off that 40 millimeters. You can see where I'm getting that. There's the 40 millimeters. Go in over here, measure that off over there, and I link that corner over there to that corner over there, and I'm going to draw in just that piece over there. Oh, this is a terrible pencil. Right, going down over here, from there to there. That I need a line coming across to the back over here, and I'm going to take my set square and my other set square, whoops, place those together like that, slide it to there, draw that part in over there, and I can then finish this off by drawing a line coming across over here, from there to there, and that is pretty much everything. I've just got to draw a line which is going to come across over here. Oh dear, I forgot to do that. I'm going to have to do some rubbing out over here, from there to there, and I need to do a little bit of rubbing out. Sorry, I hate rubbing out, but sometimes you have to. So just rub that little part out over there, rub that little line out there, rub that little line out there, and nobody be the wiser. If you make any breaks in the line, just go back and fix them, and that is that drawing done. Super.